Oh, hey, what's up, y'all? Today is a day in the life of an investor, and I'm gonna talk to y'all about what I do when I go take a look at properties. So y'all ready to tap in with me? Let's tap in, let's get into it. Before we get into the video, I want to announce a giveaway. Listen, I want to help you on your journey, so I will be giving away one of these options to a blessed winner. You can choose a 1-hour coaching call on real estate, or you can choose a 1-hour coaching call on how to grow your monthly income. You can also choose a month to attend 2 of my classes that are held monthly on real estate. First winner will be announced once we've reached 100 subs. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and leave a comment below. I look forward to announcing the winner on our giveaway live, so stay tuned. Now, on to the video. All right, good people, let's get ready to get on the road. We got 2 deals that we're working on today. One of them is a follow-up deal that I started working on about a month ago. And the second deal is a new fresh deal that I need to touch base with the owners on to see if we can work out a deal to help them out. So let's go ahead, let's get on the road. All right, y'all, let me give you the details on this house. This house is currently worth around $215,000, and it has a $99,000 balance owed on it, which leaves roughly $100,000 in equity. And so I tried to come back out here today to touch base with this lady because I've already talked to her before about a month ago, and we had a deal worked up where they were supposed to get back with me after they thought about it. And so today I figured I would touch base back with them because I lost their number. And so I decided to come back out here and see if I can touch base with them. But they weren't at home, so I left them a note. And so hopefully once they see my note, they'll touch base with me and let me know what they would like to do. So hopefully they'll be willing to do something, because it's a little bit further down the line, the numbers are gonna have to change just a little bit because more interest has accrued on this particular deal. And so hopefully they'll still be willing to do something, or they may have already gotten it worked out, which hopefully they do. So I'll let y'all guys know what the follow-up is on this one. So let's go on to the next one. All right, y'all, let me give you a quick rundown of this property. This property is worth around $62,000, and it currently has a balance owed of $19,000. And so because of that, this property will yield around $40,000 equity. I was able to speak with some of the people that were living in the house, and I was able to get contact information for the person who actually owns the house. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reach out to them and see what they have going on with the property to see if I can help them out in any way. And hopefully I can, because with that amount of equity in it and that low barrier to entry, that will be a pretty good deal if they're trying to stay there, if they're trying to sell. So we shall see. I'll let y'all know on the follow-up. All right, y'all, let's recap the day. We went and looked at 2 properties, or prospected 2 different kinds of deals. The first house we went to was a follow-up deal. And let me just quickly mention, it's always good to set up a system where you can do follow-ups on different prospects that you deal with, because you may not get the deal the first time around, but if you set up a good enough system to follow back up with them and touch base with them, you will find yourself creating extra investment deals because you just simply followed up with people. That shows you care, and that shows that you remember them. So with the first deal, we haven't been able to come to a deal yet, so I'm still waiting to hear back from her. So hopefully we can work something out, and hopefully those numbers work for her. Deal number 2, house number 2, where I got the contact information. I'm still currently waiting on them to give me a call back. She's currently at work, and she said she was going to touch base with me once she got off work. So hopefully we can work something out. She sounded pretty interested on the phone when I spoke with her. So hopefully we can get something worked out. Remember, y'all, doing real estate is about creating win-wins and helping people solve problems. I can't scream that from the mountains enough, and I can't say that enough. If you can find yourself showing people how you can create a solution for them rather than them continuing to have a problem, you will have a successful investment career. All right? So I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Get down in the comment section and let me hear about your thoughts about the things that I talked about today in the different houses that we went to go see. So I want to talk to you guys. Get down in the comments. Check out my links in the description and in the comments as well. Again, I appreciate y'all every single time y'all check out my videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.